setting up an attack long term right here. He may avoid it. I'm thinking about taking here. Of course, if he took with a knight after that, he would be blundering checkmate. So I'm assuming he's going to take the queen. And he does. Oh, but I think this is hanging now. So I'll take that. He cannot take my bishop because I have this pin. Hey guys, this is NCD Bryce Gallo here, and today I'm going to be playing a couple Blitz games to work my way up past 1100 rating, and I'll get a little closer to 1200. But mostly this is just a couple matches of chess for fun. We have BTT 16 from Germany, 1100 opponent. Let's go with the 4 knights. Get the bishop out, castle is my idea. Captured that way so that I can get my bishop out here. Let's get castled. Should win me a pawn there. Up a pawn in the opening, this is very good. I can back it up with a rook, threaten a check. Could always take his bishop, but I don't really see a good reason to do that. I'm looking for ideas of pushing this pawn up, getting the rook over. We'll see what happens. Could still take that bishop. I'm up a pawn. Kind of like this better though, so I'll go ahead and play that. Hits these 2 weak pieces. Well, there you go, you're defending something. Let's just get rid of this knight. He's been there for far too long. If there, then I can just push a pawn. Get rid of him again. He's not going to do that, okay. Setting up an attack long term right here. He may avoid it. I'm thinking about taking here. Of course, if he took with a knight after that, he would be blundering checkmate. So I'm assuming he's going to take the queen. And he does. Oh, but I think this is hanging now. So I'll take that. He cannot take my bishop because I have this pin and missed checkmate. There's game 1. Let's try another 1 or 2. Oh man, I should have taken control of the center while I had the chance. Yeah, let's just do that. Here I got 2 strong knights in the center, hoping to do some long-term damage with that. Can check him here. What fun. I have two knights defending him. I probably have something here that I'm missing. Take, he takes. Take, take. I don't see anything straight off the bat. I'll develop my last piece here. I'm a little concerned about this fork here, but at the moment that doesn't work because that knight supports it. Let's take that, get rid of that fork. Starting to pile up attackers on that square too. Things are looking good. I take. He still has sufficient defenders. I'll castle. I need another attacker to hit that pawn. I don't have it at the moment. But at the very least, my king is castled. My pieces are active. I'll get my queen up pretty soon and then engage the rooks. I should have some pretty good long-term threats, seeing that he's uncastled at the moment. Working to win this pawn at some point. I'm going to try to not fall behind on time this game. Previous games, I think I was getting too far behind for no real good reason. Let's go there. At the very least, I'm going to weaken his pawn structure. That helps. And he is castled. Alright. Let's start opening the center here. I have plenty of attackers and defenders. I like that move. Threatening a fork right there. Well, he certainly found a nice tactic here. I'll give him that. He missed it. What do you know? Oh, this might be a one piece. I can just take that. If he takes, I get the queen. No. Never mind, I don't think so. Let's move this guy out. That's kind of an annoying move, but I don't think it really does a whole lot. Let's finally get that move in. Got threatened mate in one there. Nice. Can take that. I want to get checkmate right there. And checkmate. Another nice checkmate right by the king. 2 games in a row. Well, I think that'll be it for today. Just wanted to play 2 quick games here, see what would happen, and I got 2 wins. So we're on our way to 1200. In the future videos, I will be continuing to work my way up the rating ladder for Blitz and probably rapid games as well. It's just those rapid games especially take a long time to make since the games last for so much longer. But I will be getting those out very soon. If you have not already, please leave a thumbs up on the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel down below for more videos like this, and also helpful videos and informational videos about different chess openings, chess tactics, and all that good stuff. So make sure that you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care, and goodbye.